Have you ever wondered why your grandmother swore by baking soda for almost everything? Here's the shocking truth. Pharmaceutical companies are making billions while a simple $2 box sitting in your pantry could solve dozens of health problems. I discovered this by accident when my arthritis pain disappeared after using baking soda in an unusual way. Today, I'm revealing what 92% of Americans don't know about this common household item that could transform your health overnight. Wait until you see what happens when you use baking soda for problem number 7. My viewers report results within just 24 hours. If you're struggling with any health issues, especially if you're over 50, you need to watch this entire video. The solution might be simpler than you ever imagined. Hello and welcome to Natural Health Secret. If you're new here, I'm thrilled you've joined our community of health-conscious individuals seeking natural solutions to everyday problems. Before we dive in, take a second to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of our life-changing health discoveries. And let me know you're with me by typing natural in the comments below. I'd also love to know which country you're watching from. Our global community continues to amaze me. 1. Nature's Detoxification Assistant. Let's start with something remarkable. While most people only use baking soda for baking cookies or deodorizing their refrigerator, this unassuming white powder has been silently working miracles for centuries. When dissolved in water, baking soda creates an alkaline solution that helps neutralize excess acids in your body. Something increasingly important in our modern world filled with acidic foods and environmental toxins. Think about this. Your body is constantly working to maintain a delicate pH balance, and when that balance tips toward acidity, numerous health issues can arise. A simple baking soda bath can help draw impurities from your skin, providing relief from rashes, itching, and inflammation. Many of my viewers report feeling refreshed and renewed after soaking in a warm bath with just half a cup of baking soda added. But the internal benefits are even more fascinating. Small amounts of baking soda mixed with water may help your body's natural detoxification processes. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation helped slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid accumulation in the blood. I was skeptical at first, says Margaret, 67, from Colorado. But after incorporating a quarter teaspoon of baking soda in water each morning for 3 weeks, my kidney function tests improved dramatically. My nephrologist was shocked. Remember, though, moderation is crucial. Your body already has sophisticated mechanisms for maintaining pH balance, and excessive use of baking soda can disrupt these natural processes. Start small. Perhaps a quarter teaspoon in a full glass of water, and always consult your healthcare provider before beginning any new health regimen. 2. The Natural Smile Brightener. Have you noticed how expensive teeth whitening treatments have become? The dental industry doesn't want you to know that the same ingredient in those costly whitening strips might already be sitting in your kitchen. Baking soda works as a gentle abrasive that effectively removes surface stains from coffee, tea, and other foods that dull your smile. Unlike harsh commercial whiteners that can damage enamel, baking soda polishes teeth gently when used correctly. But the benefits extend beyond aesthetics. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize acids in your mouth that contribute to tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. By creating a less hospitable environment for harmful bacteria, you're not just whitening, you're protecting your overall oral health. Clinical research backs this up. A study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpastes containing baking soda were significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth than those without it. Another study demonstrated that baking soda reduced the population of harmful bacteria in the mouth, potentially decreasing the risk of oral diseases. 3. Immediate heartburn relief. Who hasn't experienced that uncomfortable burning sensation after enjoying a spicy meal or rich dessert? Heartburn affects millions of people daily, with many reaching for expensive over-the-counter medications for relief. But what if I told you the most effective solution costs just pennies per dose? Heartburn occurs when stomach acid flows back into your esophagus, causing that characteristic burning sensation that can radiate up to your throat. Conditions like pregnancy, weight gain, or medical issues can increase your risk of experiencing this uncomfortable symptom. Here's where baking soda shines. As a natural antacid, it quickly neutralizes excess stomach acid, often providing relief within minutes. Simply mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water, sip slowly, and feel the burning sensation fade away. This isn't just folk wisdom, it's science. Gastroenterologists recognize sodium bicarbonate as an effective, fast-acting antacid. A review in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology confirmed its efficacy for occasional heartburn relief. The best part? No need for expensive medications or trips to the pharmacy, just a simple solution you can prepare in seconds. 4. Natural antifungal solution. Fungal infections like athlete's foot, ringworm, or nail fungus can be persistent, uncomfortable, and embarrassing. The pharmaceutical industry makes billions selling antifungal creams and medications, but many people don't realize that baking soda offers a natural alternative with impressive results. Fungi thrive in moist, acidic environments, precisely the conditions that baking soda helps eliminate. When applied to affected areas, baking soda creates an alkaline environment that weakens fungal cell walls and inhibits growth. This isn't just a home remedy passed down through generations. It's backed by scientific research. A fascinating study published in the journal Mycopathologia found that a solution containing just 10 grams of baking soda per liter inhibited growth in 80% of tested fungal strains. That's remarkable efficacy from such a simple, non-toxic substance. For athlete's foot or similar infections, try creating a paste with baking soda and water and applying it directly to affected areas. Alternatively, soak your feet in warm water with half a cup of baking soda dissolved in it. Many users report significant improvement in itching and discomfort after just a few applications. I battled toenail fungus for years and tried everything, shares William 65 from Arizona. After consistent baking soda soaks for 3 weeks, I noticed new, healthy nail growing in. 6 months later, my nails were completely clear, something expensive prescription medications couldn't accomplish. The gentle, non-toxic nature of baking soda makes it particularly appealing for those with sensitive skin or those wishing to avoid harsh chemicals. It's an accessible, affordable option that might just solve your fungal problems more effectively than products costing 10 times as much. 5. UTI Symptom Relief. Urinary tract infections can be incredibly painful and disruptive, especially for women who experience them frequently. While antibiotics remain the standard treatment, many people seek complementary approaches to relieve symptoms and support healing. This is where baking soda offers interesting possibilities. The theory behind using baking soda for UTIs is straightforward. By alkalizing the urine, you create an environment less favorable to bacteria while potentially reducing the burning sensation during urination. A small amount of baking soda dissolved in water may help neutralize the acidity that makes urination so painful during an infection. Scientific evidence suggests there might be merit to this approach. A study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology followed 33 women with recurrent UTIs who were treated with sodium bicarbonate. After 4 weeks, many participants reported significant improvement in symptoms, including reduced pain and discomfort during urination. 6. Canker sore solution. Anyone who has experienced a canker sore knows how these small mouth ulcers can cause disproportionate pain and discomfort. Eating, drinking, and even speaking can become painful ordeals until the sore heals. While there are numerous over-the-counter treatments available, baking soda offers a simple, effective solution that costs just pennies. Canker sores often develop in acidic mouth environments, and this is where baking soda's alkalizing properties prove valuable. By neutralizing acids and creating a more balanced pH in your mouth, baking soda creates conditions that soothe pain and promote healing. A simple rinse made with half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in warm water can reduce inflammation, ease discomfort, and accelerate healing when used several times daily. The science supports this approach. Research published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouthwashes significantly reduced pain and sped healing in patients with recurrent stomatitis, canker sores. 7. The athlete's secret weapon. Here's something fascinating that elite athletes have known for years but rarely discuss publicly. Baking soda can significantly enhance exercise performance, especially during high-intensity activities. This might sound too good to be true, but the science behind it is solid and well documented. During intense exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers pH and creates that familiar burning sensation that often forces you to slow down or stop. Sodium bicarbonate acts as a buffer against this acidity, potentially allowing you to exercise harder and longer before fatigue sets in. A comprehensive meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning. Research examined numerous studies and found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly improved performance in short-duration, high-intensity exercises like sprinting, swimming, and cycling. Athletes who consumed baking soda before their events were able to maintain peak performance longer and experienced delayed onset of fatigue. I was skeptical until I tried it myself, admits Richard, 58, a competitive masters swimmer from California. Taking a teaspoon of baking soda in water about an hour before races improved my times by 2 to 3%. That might not sound like much, but in swimming, it's the difference between first and fifth place. Typically, athletes consume about a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in water 60 to 90 minutes before training or competition. However, it's crucial to start with smaller doses, as some people experience gastrointestinal discomfort, including nausea or bloating, when first trying this approach. If you're looking to maximize your workout performance or gain a competitive edge in your chosen sport, baking soda might be worth exploring. But always consult with a healthcare provider first, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. 8. Kidney health support. For those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, managing health can be complex and challenging. One common complication is metabolic acidosis, a condition where the kidneys struggle to remove enough acid from the blood. This excess acidity can accelerate kidney damage and impact overall health. This is where sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, shows remarkable potential. As a natural alkalizing agent, it helps neutralize acid in the bloodstream, potentially reducing strain on the kidneys and slowing disease progression. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology examined patients with advanced CKD and metabolic acidosis. The researchers found that those who took daily sodium bicarbonate tablets experienced significantly slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. Even more impressively, the baking soda group had a reduced risk of developing end-stage renal disease requiring dialysis. 9. Arthritis. Pain relief. Arthritis affects millions of people worldwide, causing joint pain, inflammation, and reduced mobility that can significantly impact quality of life. While conventional treatments typically involve medication and physical therapy, emerging research suggests that baking soda might offer a surprising complementary approach to managing symptoms. Rheumatoid arthritis, in particular, involves chronic inflammation driven by immune system dysfunction. Fascinating research published in 2018 in the Journal of Immunology found that consuming a solution of baking soda in water influenced the body's immune response in beneficial ways. The study showed that sodium bicarbonate appeared to calm overactive immune responses associated with autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis while promoting anti-inflammatory activity. Both human and animal subjects in the study showed measurable decreases in inflammatory markers, and the balance of immune cells shifted toward a less inflammatory state. This suggests that baking soda might help reset the immune system's approach to inflammation, potentially reducing joint pain and swelling. 10. Gout attack management. Gout, an excruciatingly painful form of arthritis, occurs when excess uric acid in the blood forms sharp crystals in joints, typically affecting the big toe. These crystal deposits trigger intense inflammation, causing severe pain, redness, and swelling that can make even the lightest touch unbearable. The underlying issue in gout is elevated uric acid levels, and this is precisely where baking soda's alkalizing properties may help. By neutralizing excess acid in the blood, sodium bicarbonate can potentially reduce crystal formation and help dissolve existing crystals, facilitating their elimination through urine. During an acute gout attack, many sufferers find that consuming a glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda provides noticeable relief. A study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism noted that alkalizing agents like sodium bicarbonate can help dissolve uric acid crystals and reduce the severity of gout symptoms. 11. Cold and flu. Symptom relief. When cold and flu season strikes, the constellation of symptoms, sore throat, congestion, cough, can leave you feeling miserable and desperate for relief. While there's no cure for the common cold, baking soda offers several ways to ease symptoms and potentially speed recovery. Baking soda's alkaline properties help break down thick mucus, making it easier to clear congested nasal passages and breathe more freely. This is especially helpful when dealing with persistent nasal congestion or a stuffy nose that disrupts sleep. One of the most effective cold remedies is gargling with a baking soda solution. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water creates a soothing gargle that can ease an inflamed, sore throat. Beyond providing comfort, this mixture helps reduce the bacterial and viral load in your throat and mouth, potentially making it harder for infections to thrive. Research published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that regular gargling with a baking soda solution significantly reduced throat discomfort and microbial presence, potentially accelerating recovery from upper respiratory infections. 12. Cancer treatment support. This section requires particular care and nuance. While baking soda is not a cancer cure, emerging research suggests it might play a supportive role in conventional cancer treatments by altering the tumor microenvironment. Cancer cells often thrive in acidic environments, and this acidity can also increase their resistance to certain treatments. Because of its alkalizing properties, researchers have been investigating whether baking soda might help modify the pH around tumor cells, potentially creating conditions less favorable for cancer spread. A notable 2009 study published in Cancer Research found that when mice with metastatic breast cancer received sodium bicarbonate, the acidity around their tumors decreased significantly. This pH change appeared to inhibit the cancer's ability to metastasize and made the tumor cells more responsive to chemotherapy treatments. Scientists are now exploring whether antacids like baking soda might safely complement conventional cancer therapies to improve patient outcomes. However, it's crucial to emphasize that this research is still in early stages. 13. Natural deodorant alternative. In our increasingly health-conscious world, many people are seeking alternatives to commercial deodorants containing aluminum compounds, parabens, and artificial fragrances. Baking soda offers a simple, effective solution straight from your kitchen cabinet. Unlike commercial products that often work by blocking sweat glands, baking soda addresses body odor at its source. It absorbs excess moisture while neutralizing the acidic compounds in perspiration that contribute to unpleasant odors. This creates an environment where odor-causing bacteria struggle to thrive, keeping you fresh throughout even the busiest days. The effectiveness of baking soda as a natural deodorant isn't just anecdotal. It's scientifically validated. Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that topically applied sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor. The researchers concluded that the alkaline properties of baking soda effectively neutralize acids produced by bacteria and sweat, substantially reducing offensive odors. Unlock your health potential. Today, as we've discovered together, baking soda is far more than just a basic household ingredient. It's a versatile health ally backed by both scientific research and generations of traditional use. From relieving arthritis pain to enhancing athletic performance, this humble powder offers solutions to numerous health challenges at a fraction of the cost of commercial products. The most remarkable aspect of baking soda is its accessibility. Unlike exotic supplements or expensive prescriptions, this powerful health tool is already sitting in most kitchen cabinets, waiting to be utilized to its full potential. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these baking soda remedies? Did they work for you? Or do you have your own baking soda success story to share? Drop a comment below with your experiences and questions. Our natural health secret community thrives on sharing knowledge and supporting each other's health journeys. If you found value in today's video, please hit that like button. It helps our channel reach more people who could benefit from this information. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Natural Health Secret and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest health discoveries and natural remedies.